Good morning, I'm Vince from Marco Equipment Company. We have the Factory Cat GTX scrubber machine here. It is a 30-inch scrub house machine, so I just want to go over some of the features on the machine. We have a front drive system up here that steers, turns the machine to get in and out. Front wheel steering is the best way to go on these machines. If we walk around the machine a little bit here, I'm going to go over the recovery tank we got here, 35-gallon recovery tank. We have a 35-gallon solution tank here. Draining the tank is simple. Just unscrew the knob here, pull the hose off, and drain the machine out. It does have a nice filtering system with the screen and ball that will stop water from getting into the vacuum system. And we do have a debris tray that will get any debris that the machine may pick up, and that can be cleaned out very simply, put back in the machine. We do have the two vacuum hoses here with the squeegee tool. And one thing that sets this machine apart is the brush drive system. So I'd like to show you that. There's the brush drive system with this nice big belt, big pulleys. The brushes come in and out very easily, just like that. And just stick the brush back in, put that back together. Coming around to this side, we do have a manager's lockout switch here, which will stop the operator from putting too much brush pressure down. We do have a tilt wheel here with emergency stop button right here, headlight switch, and horn. Over here, I want to go over the switches a little bit. Right here is the key switch to turn on the machine. We got the brush switch here, how much water you want to put down, and the squeegee switch. Also, we have the one-touch operation right here. You push the button down, it turns everything on the machine. We do have forward and reverse. Put this back real quick. And I'm going to pull the tank back so we can see where the batteries are, how easy it is to service the batteries. Pull the tank back like that. Here's the batteries. Down here we have the vacuum system that picks up all the water with your solution filter. And if you come around to this side, I will show you the brush tray where your debris will go when you're scrubbing. Pretty simple, just pull it out, empty it out, clean it up, put it back in there. It goes in really simple. This whole machine is very simple to operate, actually. And so that's about it on the machine. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can give us a call at 800-423-6220 or visit us at our website, www.marcoequipment.com. And also you can call about the XR scrubbing machine. It's a bigger machine. Thank you very much.